Wow, this has got to be like the cleanest, most mint VW bus of its era I think I've ever seen, or one of them anyway. I mean, it's just clearly just been restored. I had to stop and make a little video of this. Isn't it amazing though how you look at this compared to this GMC Chevy, whatever Express? It's like, as we say in French, banal, dull. And even this over here, another one from my neighborhood here in Montreal, this old Dodge, they're cool and all that, but, it's just kind of dull, eh? I mean, especially that primer gray, but man. And just before I started filming this van here, this Volkswagen, circa, I don't know, let's say 68 to 77, 78, I thought, wouldn't it be funny if this was the same one that I filmed next to the Notre Dame Hospital last summer? But that one was white, and that one actually needed to be restored, And yeah, I'm using my phone because I left my other camera at home. I'm just sticking around my area today. Man, it is just fantastic. I mean, the color of that blue is beautiful. Such an old school blue. Oh, silly me, the plate is there. Quebec plate 68. I'm sorry about that. You got the eyebrows over the headlights. You got your classic ball on the antenna. God, I would love to ride in one of these, even if it was just for like 10 minutes or something, Just want to know what it feels like. I've ridden in vans before. I've never rode in the Volkswagen van. And for some of you guys don't know old cars too much, by the way, this is a Westfalia. This is a real Westfalia, which means that the top opens up like a pop-up trailer, like a tent. These are the ones that are worth money. Regular ones obviously are going up in value. Everything's going up in value. Is that a dealer tag? Oh wow. Look at this. Sold new in Tennessee. Wow, that's awesome. Of course, I would imagine most Volkswagen vans that survive are from the southern states, western states, western Canada. And check this out. This thing's got dual pipes on it. And I think it's very possible it actually has a Subaru motor in it, because that's a very popular thing to do, because the Subaru motors have more power, and they're also they're more reliable. Very cool. Very groovy, baby. Very factory correct. Even the hubcaps are factory correct. And look at those tires. Right on. That's awesome, man. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you something. As time goes on, there's definitely not more vintage vehicles in this part of the city or any part of Montreal. But if there's one thing you can count on, especially in the East End, is old vans. People love old vans, and I can understand. This phone is not showing the actual color of this van. Damn it! I hate that about these phones, especially this phone. I think it's the only complaint I have about this Samsung A318 is that the color is always off. I hate that. Man, those bumpers though. Those bumpers, I gotta tell you, those are off an older VW. It just occurred to me. I thought it was something funny about that van. Those are like, I think 66 or under, or 67 or under. I'm not an expert, but I know. I've been looking at images of old cars for so my whole life. 46 years old, man. But only in recent years am I learning about, imported vehicles, because, I'm a die-hard American car guy, but the fact of the matter is, I often tell people vehicles that are generally so boring and cheap that I'll be interested in anything vintage, for crying out loud. So that's it, guys. Thanks again for watching, and take care. Merci. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Bye-bye.